So today we're gonna do a small deviation from the mini project just because I need to change the brake pads and the discs on my daily ride, which is my 5 Series. Let's go. This is the one. Ignore the wheel at the moment because my wheels are refurbishing, so I'm just using this one temporarily that I got off eBay. But yeah, so today is gonna be the disc and the pad. So this is what we're facing at the moment. The disc is not too bad, but before that, I just called BMW to see how much will they quote me for a work like this. So let's see how much will they charge me for the brake pads and also the brake rotor. Also, I'll receive the letter on the post in relation to the recall that this car needs, which is a driver's airbag, needs to be replaced if necessary, which is good. So I'm just gonna call BMW to see if they can do the recall and also how much will they charge me.
Thank you for calling Group 1 BMW. Please press 1 and 4 for all other inquiries. 1 BMW Peter speaking, can we help you?
Good morning. Do you do recalls on your shop?
Have you had a letter, sir, have you?
Yes, I did have a letter.
You have, right, okay. What did you want to do? Book your car in?
Yes, it's for a driver's airbag.
Okay, that's fine. Can I get the registration number, please? Lovely. And what was the name, please, sir? Wonderful. Stay there 1 second. I'm just going to put you through to the booking. We're passionate about offering our customers the very best of BMW. Registration, is that correct?
That's correct, yeah.
The vehicle is a 5 Series 2010 in silver.
Yes, it is.
Do you know how many miles the vehicle has done?
198,000.
Lovely, thank you. And then can you please confirm your first and last name? Or you can drop and leave it with us for the day. I'll just have a look at some dates in my diary now for you. I can do 8:30, would that be okay?
Perfect. Next Thursday at 8:30 sounds perfect to me. 28th at 8:30.
Yeah, oh, perfect. Exactly, yeah, that's all booked in.
Yeah, while I've got you on the line, is there a chance you can pass me to the team where because I need a quote for my rear brakes to brake
I can
pads
do
to
that
be
for
changed?
you.
Oh, can you please? So I need the brake pads at the back, and I believe I need the brake rotors as well.
And the rotors, do you mean the brake disc?
Yeah, the discs. Yeah.
Okay, let me load that up for you.
What I do requires a certain mindset.
So for both the brake pads and discs, it's £418 and 91 pence.
Okay. That includes the installation, correct?
Absolutely, that's it. Parts, labour and VAT all included.
And now you know why I do this myself.
What I do requires a certain mindset. Some jobs need to look like accidents. Others must cause suspicion on someone else.
But what I do have are a very particular set of skills. Skills I have acquired over a very long career. Skills that make me a nightmare for people like you.
Pulling a trigger is easy. The best jobs are the ones nobody ever knows you are there.
Can I be honest? 418. I'm gonna be honest. £400. It's not too bad, considering it's the discs and the pads and the labor. Yeah, decent price. However, of course I'm gonna do it myself. Why shouldn't? Been doing it for ages. Why stop now, right? Plus it's £400 that I can keep in my pocket. So let's go. Plus it's £400 that I can spend on that tiny yellow Bumblebee lookalike Mini Cooper. Yeah, trying to save everywhere, right? Why not? So this one I got off eBay, and because I got all the tools, it's much cheaper for me to do it this way than actually going to BMW. But I will always suggest, if you do have a car such as BMW, I will always suggest to go to the mechanic because they know best. But so do I. So let's see what's inside the box. Here we go. Pretty sure they will use exactly the same. And look. Subscribe. It's in English, translated to subscribe. Yes. Go. Instructions. Yeah, I don't think so. And here they are. Be done. Some grease. Nice. And the brake. Oh, there we go. It's now 10:45. We've got about an hour now to do the job. Let's go to my man cave, get all my tools. Yeah, that would be a topic for another day, but yeah, that was a side housing plate for RX-8 engine. Oh. I think rain is about to fall. I'm good. Okay, first of all, let's connect with the car. I don't think we're gonna have enough battery. Let's try. Yeah, that's not gonna happen. That's why be always prepared. Should be okay now. Perfect. So now let's go, and there you go. Go to brakes. So here we are. In this case, we just need to replace the brake pads, which will come together with the disc. So continue. And now we need to activate the installation position. This will retract the e-brake from the rear discs. Activation. Then obviously we have to deactivate at the end. So F1. Continue. We select it. Okay, there we go. It's been deactivated. So now I'm just gonna go and change the pads, and I'll be back. And here you can clearly see that the e-brake is deactivated, because as I remove the nuts, you can clearly see the car moving. And that's why it's so important to use any sort of program to deactivate the e-brake to avoid damaging the brake module. There are two 13mm bolts at the back, here and here, which are holding the caliper. Let's just remove it. Old one, new one. Brake caliper brackets held by two bolts, 18mm. That and that one. So I'm gonna remove both of them. Yeah, I'm gonna wire brush later this, because it's, yeah, why not? Now let's just remove this disc. Yeah, it was a close one. Nah, damn it, it collected my ton from summer. But it's out.
Warning. What you're about to see was performed by a professional operator under the correct supervision of my neighbors, and I did not care. Please do not do the same.
Like a glove. Ooh. Ooh. Yeah, this one is gone. Look at that. God bless British roads. Plenty of salt. They definitely must have a pact with mechanics. Anyway, let's change the looks of that a little bit, right? My brother calls me the Timber Brain. I wonder why. £400. Do it yourself. Do it yourself. £400 right now doesn't sound like a bad idea.
Ah, yes. I was wondering what would break first. Your spirit or your body?
Now we put some copper E's. So we're sure next time. Well, I need to remove the discs. They won't seize. So before we install the disc, let's just retract the caliper piston, which is right here. Should do. There we are. And the way this works is there is a locking pin just right here, which unlocks in place right there. And these two little teeth will connect the back, and you spin it and it retracts the piston. Nice. So first goes that bit, and now we align back teeth, and that should be it.
Nice.
And hopefully, because I deactivated the e-brake, there we go. The piston is retracting. Oh. And that's it. Okay, let's find perfect. There we go. I'm gonna go and clean quick this bracket. I'm not gonna show you how to. Sorry about the noise. So just sliders are in. There we go. If you want, you can scratch them a little bit with sandpaper. You know, it's up to you really. This is the side where you should slide the brake pad in. Yeah? You see? And then that's it. It's in for now. So one day I promise I'll do a full refurb on these calipers. Not now. And yeah, this possibly will be the best angle that you'll get in order to fully torque this bolt. There's one. You can see I've done this before, right? There we go. Ain't going nowhere. There we go. Slide it in, and then just like that. Simple. Should have put a bit of grease. Yeah, let's do that again. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna put a little bit of grease. Just a little bit. Here. Here. Now, here we go again. One. And that's the second one. Perfect. Now, we'll bring the camper over. There we go. Now we're gonna use the new bolts that came with the kit. There's one. There's the other. And basically, all you have to do is do exactly the same process on the other side, on the other wheel. And hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you next time. By the way, don't feel shy to subscribe or leave a comment. I'll promise I'll comment back. Goodbye.